actually hold on to those belts. And here they are, the Thieves. I mean,
the faux tag team champions.
The only females to ever hold the MWF tag team title. I mean, Audio Shotgun.
And here comes Damage
Wow, Audio
Incorporated.
Shotgun got out of the ring quick.
I'll take those other two things too.
I don't know if you want to touch that microphone or not, Chris Mellon.
No. Nothing Solar's
You don't know where
mouth's
it's been.
Nothing Solar's mouth's been on.
Ladies and gentlemen, this match is one fall, and it is for the MWF World Tag Team Championship. As customary, we introduce the challengers, and as always, ladies first. They are the Queen City Classic, Chris Solar, the Waco Kid, Adam Awesimo. They are not the World Tag Team Champions, and they are Audio Shotgun.
Video pop gun.
Ladies and gentlemen, their opponents are the holders of the MWF Tag Team Championship. From Long Beach, North Carolina, the sensation Markus Hayes and his partner, Outlaw Keith Matthews, Damage Inc. Your referee is Rex Tyler. How's that?
That was very good. Very fine mic work. Very fine mic work.
The only... You want the microphone? Damage Inc. is asking for the microphone, and I think it's only fitting the commissioner give the microphone to Markus Hayes.
Yo, hey. First off, Damage Inc. likes to thank each and every one of y'all for coming out. Now, we know about the gas shortage, so it's very hard for a lot of people to get here, but you still got here, so we appreciate it. We appreciate the support, and we're going to put a good show on for you. And you want to know why? Because we're Damage Inc. They, and I, we approve that message.
You know, the temperature in this building just went up 10 degrees because there's a lot of hot air on one side of the ring. And that hot air is provided by Chris Solar and Adam Awesimo. Waiting to get this match underway. All we need is a bell rung.
Next time I do commentary, I will not wear a hat.
There you go. I could have told you that, my friend.
Well, I thought with the backwards it'd be okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that worked.
There we go. We got action underway.
How did that work for him?
If teamwork is dream work, then for Audio Shotgun, it's got to be a living nightmare.
Exactly. Oh, here we go.
You hear Solar saying no, begging for mercy.
Damage Incorporated got something planned here.
Get real quiet. Oh!
Another heartburn Tums won't cure.
Oh! I love it!
Oh, here we go.
Irish whip it!
Oh, wait a minute. Meeting of the heads. Can't say mines. These two never.
Yeah, but did you hear that echo when they collided?
Yes, I did. Great sound. Wonderful sound. That sickening thud of two empty heads coming together.
There's 4 ring signs posted in those heads. You realize that?
Yeah. Absolutely. One of the
fans calling for a double wedgie.
I'd like to see that myself. That'd be pretty cool. Be really good.
Fans chanting double wedgie.
Oh, here we go again.
How's this guy?
And there we go again.
Didn't work the first time. Oh, wait.
Not going to work this time.
It's not going to work the second time. Do-si-do. Oh, they both got it again.
Slam your opponent to the ground.
When are they going to learn?
Do-si-do, spin around, slam your partner to the ground.
That's right. Wait a minute. You got to do that again, and I'll provide the...
Do-si-do and spin around and slam your partner to the ground, or opponent to the ground. Excuse me.
Chris Soler checking to see if he has the same number of teeth when he started.
He is a little bit weary here, a little out of sorts. Mr. Soler.
I don't think these guys know what planet they're on.
I don't think they know what planet they're on when they haven't been knocked together.
That's true.
There's a planet
here we go. Here we go again.
Oh, here we go.
Here we go again.
Third time. Third time's a charm? You think? Do you think? No.
Nope. Didn't see that coming.
You ever heard that? You ever heard that old expression about when something doesn't work a couple of times?
Yeah. Do me a favor. Grab those belts. They are now in your possession.
I will keep holding this.
Oh, Chris Soler missed. And now they're both outside of the ring again.
I'll hang on to that.
That's a good idea. That's why I suggested it.
Let's see him steal them now.
Now the fans.
This is getting to be more fun by the second. Oh, here we go again.
Here we go again.
Both members of Audio Shotgun in the ring. Soler still got the red thing tied around his neck. Does he think it gives him superpowers?
I don't know.
Or what?
I don't know.
Well, so far it hasn't worked for him. And one more time. And generally, when something doesn't work for you, you stop doing it.
Exactly. Double atomic drop.
No.
Oh, man.
Another headbanger. I thought these two were flaming pop stars or flaming something else. But anyway, not headbangers.
Big power slam by Outlaw.
Outlaw with the power on Soler. Oh, look out here. Oh, elbow right to the side of the head. Soler's down, 2, and Soler kicks out.
And since these guys are members of the family, where's Father Hayes?
That's my question. I'm wondering that too.
Nick James or Pitt, where's one of the members of the family?
Well, Pitt better be in the back preparing for Hojo because he's got a road to hoe himself tonight.
Oh gosh, here we go. Right over the ropes.
But as far as Father Hayes and Mini-Me, probably back there licking each other's wounds. Just a thought.
Oh. Big suplex.
Shays, did I just give you a mental picture?
Yeah, you did.
Oh, no. Count of 2 only. Soler kicks out. Yeah, what? Why don't they grab that red thing around his neck and choke him out with it?
I don't know why he's still wearing it. Tag now from Markus to Outlaw.
Here comes Outlaw. And a big punch to the gut. Right in Soler's breadbasket, which if you haven't noticed yet is quite ample. It hangs over his tights.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, and a double bulldog.
Same move they did on Trey Williams.
The move that made Trey Williams pee himself, yes.
Let's just hope we don't see Soler giving himself a shower.
Check Soler for urine. We need a pee test.
That's really good. Right now, Soler arresting across the ropes. Big leg drop by Outlaw.
Oh.
Waco Kid tries to get a shot on Keith.
Waco Kid says no thank you.
Adam Awesimo.
Waco Kid feeding his partner to the Lions.
That's right.
But
I don't think Adam Awesimo's no dummy. I really don't.
Really?
Oh, no. Here comes the move that made the Space Cowboys famous.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Little distraction of the referee that I didn't see. Touchdown!
60 yards through the uprights. It is good.
I wonder if he's going to go for the extra point.
Hit that in South Charlotte.
Roll up, 1, 2.
And
now the Waco kid breaks the count.
Pulling the referee off. Is that not grounds for DQ?
Not necessarily.
I didn't think you're supposed to touch an official. Marcus Hayes, that single leg crab, working Solar's leg over. Here's Solar screaming like a little girl. What else is news? Now here comes Outlaw.
So I guess that answers a question I posed a few shows ago. Who is the female of their relationship?
I thought they were both female.
Well, you got to have roles.
I thought
it
was one of those alternate lifestyle things, that kind of deal. You know, he may not be swinging off the same side of the plate as the rest of us, but that's okay.
Oh man,
Outlaw combo.
Big, the Outlaw combo's coming.
And the big right hand.
Oh man,
big taped right hand. You'll notice Outlaw's wearing a lot of tape on those hands tonight. Makes those hands like two sledgehammers. Oh, another shot to South Charlotte.
You hear Chris Solar begging.
Make a wish.
Oh!
What is Awesimo doing? He tossed that microphone in the ring. Why did he throw that microphone in the ring?
All right, Chris Solar raking the eyes now.
Why.
Has the microphone.
But that's not
distracted. He don't have that microphone anymore.
Marcus Hayes nails the drop kick on Chris Solar, knocking the mic out of his hand. But it's still in the ring. Tyler, there's a microphone right in front of your face. Will you kick it out? Oh, here comes the microphone.
Drop kick in the corner from Waco.
Drop kick to Outlaw from the Waco kid. Tag made to Solar. Waco not staying in long tonight. He's kind of wanting to get in and get out.
Yeah, exactly.
Solar, a big back elbow. Oh, look at the pin.
What an arrogant cover by Chris Solar.
What an arrogant cover. Hey, you're right, arrogant cover. You think Outlaw was having any of that?
No,
No, hardly. Big springboard leg drop by the Waco kid.
He likes to do the springboard moves and the senton moves.
Well, these two guys are talented.
Yeah.
They are.
They really are.
If they would just straighten up and get down to business instead of the things they do, they could be one of the great tag teams in MWF history. Of course, in their mind, they already are.
Yeah.
Oh, rake of the eyes by Solar. Now trying to choke the Outlaw.
Ref Tyler putting on that 5 count. Solar breaks it at 4. Off the ropes.
Solar with a spinning, whatever you call that.
Spinning clothesline. That was pretty awesome.
That was actually very innovative.
That you love him or hate him. That was a great move.
That was an excellent move, yes.
And now what's Waco doing with his knee pads?
What's he doing?
He's pulling those knee pads down.
Oh, he's calling for the knee.
Off the second turnbuckle. Oh! Outlaw moved out of the way. That left knee is injured. Figure 4. Figure 4.
And believe me, I know how that feels. Hayes
figure 4.
Solar off the apron. And now
figure 4 is Adam going to tap.
Will he tap?
The fans are calling for Waco to tap.
They're calling for him to tap out. He tapped. He tapped.
Oh, no!
Oh, give me a break.
Here comes the family!
Give me a break. Here we go again. John, this is definitely being